Huawei Nova 4 runs EMUI 9.0.1 based on Android 9.0 Pie, and sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2310 pixels display with a 19.25:9 aspect ratio, and support for 96% NTSC color gamut. It has an 86.3% screen-to-body ratio. The Huawei Nova 4 runs on the octa-core Silicon Kirin 970 SoC, which features 4 Cortex-A73 cores clocked at 2.36 GHz and 4 Cortex-A53 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. The SoC is coupled with the 8 GB of RAM. The Huawei Nova 4 bears a triple rear camera setup, and as we mentioned, it comes in 2 variants, one with a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 primary sensor, f/1.8 aperture, and another with a 20-megapixel primary sensor. Apart from the primary sensor, the triple rear camera setup consists of a 16-megapixel 117-degree ultra-wide-angle camera with an f/2.2 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f/2.4 aperture. The setup is accompanied by a single LED flash. The company is touting EIS, 4K video support, AI beauty, 3D Koji, PDAF, and contrast focus on the rear camera. On the front of the Huawei Nova 4, in the display hole, 4.5mm wide, is a 25-megapixel front camera with an f/2.0 aperture, with EIS functionality. The earpiece is contained on the top edge, and is just 0.85mm wide. There is 128 GB of inbuilt storage on the smartphone, not expandable via microSD card. Connectivity options include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth V4.2, GPS/AGPS, USB Type-C, V2.0, and 3.5mm headphone jack. Sensors on board include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, digital compass, gyroscope, proximity sensor. It bears a fingerprint sensor on the rear panel, as well as face unlock features.